Can you really make money just by watching ads on your phone? It sounds like a crazy idea. You see ads all the time for free. So why would someone pay you to watch them? I see stuff like this online all the time. People claim you can get rich quick. I wanted to know the truth. So, I decided to test it myself. I spent my own time trying out these apps. I wanted to see if the money was real. I am going to share everything I learned with you. I will give you the real story. No hype. First, let's get one thing straight. You are not going to become a millionaire doing this. You won't even be able to quit your job. That is not what this is about. The money you earn is very small. We are talking about pocket money. This is a way to make a few extra dollars in your spare time. Think about it like this. You could earn enough for a cup of coffee. You might be able to pay for a small subscription. Or maybe you could buy a small gift for a friend. So, how does this whole thing even work? Why would a company pay you just to watch their ad? It's actually a pretty simple system. Companies want more people to see their products. They spend big budgets on advertising. They pay app developers to show ads. App developers need viewers. That's you. The app shares a tiny cut with you as a reward. Every time an ad plays, the app gets paid, then you get paid. The process is simple on your end. Download the app. Sign up. Open the Watch Videos section. Tap to start an ad. Short ads, often 15 to 30 seconds, sometimes for new mobile games, sometimes for cars, sometimes for snacks. After the ad finishes, you get rewarded. Watch, get rewarded, repeat. It's meant to be mindless and easy. Payment methods vary. Many apps use a points system. You earn points per ad. For example, 2 points per video. Redeem points in the rewards section. Common reward. Amazon gift card. Walmart gift card. Starbucks gift card. Some let you cash out via PayPal. Okay, we need to have a serious talk about scams. The internet is full of them. Anytime there is a promise of easy money, you have to be careful. There are a lot of fake apps and websites out there. They will promise you can make hundreds of dollars a day just by watching ads. This is a huge red flag. If it sounds way too good to be true, it almost always is. These scam apps are designed to steal your information or just waste your time. They might make you watch hours of ads and then never actually pay you what you earned. So, how do you spot a scam? First, look at the reviews. Go to the official app store, like the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and read what other users are saying. Do not just look at the 5-star reviews. Read the 1-star and 2-star reviews. People will often share their bad experiences there. If you see a lot of people complaining that they never got paid or that the app is buggy, you should stay away. Real, legitimate apps will have a mix of reviews, but you should see plenty of people confirming that they received their rewards. Another big warning sign is if an app asks for too much personal information. A real app might need your email address to create an account. They might need your PayPal email to send you money. But they should never ask for your bank account password, your social security number, or other highly sensitive data. If an app asks for money upfront to unlock higher earnings, run away. To give you the real scoop, I downloaded and tested 3 of the most popular apps that people talk about. I picked ones that have been around for a while and have a reputation for actually paying their users. I wanted to see how they work, how much they pay, and if it was easy to get my money. The first app I tried was Swagbucks. You have probably heard of this one. It is one of the biggest reward sites on the internet. They give you points, which they call SB, for doing all sorts of things, not just watching ads. On Swagbucks, you can watch video playlists in a section of the app. You watch a series of short videos and ads, and then you earn a few SB points. I found that the pay was about 1 to 2 cents for watching a playlist that took a few minutes. The good thing about Swagbucks is that there are many other ways to earn points. You can take surveys, you can shop online to get cash back, or even just search the web using their search engine. This means you can combine different activities to reach your payout goal faster. Cashing out was easy. I was able to trade my points for a PayPal payment. The second app I tested was Inbox Dollars. This one is different because it pays you in actual cash, not points. When you sign up, they even give you a $5 bonus just for joining. Similar to Swagbucks, you can earn money by watching videos, taking surveys, playing games, and reading paid emails. The pay for watching ads was about 1 to 5 cents per set of videos. The interface was simple and easy to figure out where to go to start earning. The final app I gave a shot was Perk.tv. This one is more focused on just watching videos. You can run playlists of movie trailers, app trailers, other short clips, with ads mixed in. It's designed to be run in the background while you do other things. Some apps pay in cents instead of points. For example, your account might show 0.02 after one ad. Most have a payout threshold, for example, $10 minimum. So you need to be patient and keep watching until you hit that goal. It's meant to be mindless and easy. Common reward: Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card, Starbucks gift card. Some let you cash out via PayPal. You have downtime during your day. Instead of just scrolling through social media, you could be earning a few cents. Over time, those cents can add up to real dollars. It is about turning your wasted time into a little bit of cash. It does not take much effort. You just have to watch short video ads. The question is that small amount of cash worth your time? Let's do some simple math to figure out what your earnings could look like. This is important so you know exactly what you are getting into. We are going to use some average numbers. Keep in mind that the pay can change from app to app from day to day, but this will give you a good general idea. Let's say, on average, you earn about 2 cents for every ad you watch. That is a pretty common rate across many of these platforms. It sounds incredibly small, and it is. The key is volume. So, let's imagine you decide to watch 100 ads in one day. You might do this during your lunch break or while you're watching TV at night. If you earn 2 cents per ad and you watch 100 ads, you would make $2 for that day. It is not a lot of money, but it is $2 you did not have before. Now, let's say you do this 5 days a week. $2 a day times 5 days equals $10 per week. Again, not life-changing, but it is starting to add up to something you can actually use. Now let's take that weekly total and see what it looks like over a month. $10 a week, about 4 weeks in a month, around $40 a month. I did not want to just talk about this stuff. I wanted to actually do it. So I committed to a 1-week challenge. My goal was to use these apps in a realistic way. I was not going to sit there for 8 hours a day watching ads. That is not practical for anyone. Instead, I used them during my downtime. I watched ads while I was waiting for my coffee to brew in the morning. I used them while I was waiting in line at the grocery store. I even had them running on my phone while I was doing dishes. It was all about filling those small, empty moments. Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars. I downloaded both. I tried to spend a little bit of time on each one every day. I wanted to see how the earnings would compare. Over the course of 7 days, I was pretty consistent. I probably spent about 30 to 45 minutes each day, actively watching ads or completing small tasks on the apps. I kept track of my earnings every single day. At the start, it felt incredibly slow. Seeing my balance go up by just a few cents was not very exciting. But as the week went on, I started to see the numbers grow. A few cents turned into $1. $1 turned into a few dollars. It was all about patience. By the end of the 7 days, I checked my total earnings. On Swagbucks, I had earned about $7.50 worth of points. On Inbox Dollars, I had earned about $4.50, not including the $5 sign-up bonus. So, in total, from 1 week of very casual use, I had made about $12. This was real money that I earned from just tapping on my phone during my spare time. The most important part of the test was cashing out. Earning money in an app does not mean anything if you cannot get it. With Swagbucks, I was over their minimum payout, which is usually around $3 to $5 for a gift card or PayPal. I chose to cash out $10 to my PayPal account. The process was smooth. I requested the payment. A couple of days later, the $10 appeared in my PayPal. It was real. So, after a week of testing and a lot of ad watching, what is my final verdict? The answer is yes. You absolutely can make real money by watching ads on your phone. But you have to know what you are getting into. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-slowly scheme. Really, really slowly. The amount you make is very small. Think of it as a small bonus. Pocket change you earn with minimal effort, not for paying rent. Better options: learning a new skill, delivering food, finding freelance work. The time-to-money ratio is low. But if you want a simple way to earn a few extra bucks for fun, these apps are perfect. Great for small luxuries. Movie rental, fancy coffee, in-app purchase for your favorite game, guilt-free money. Final advice: start small. Pick one app, Swagbucks Inbox Dollars, try it for a week. Don't spend hours on it. Use it casually. See how you feel. Set a small goal. Earn your first $5. Cash out, then decide if you want to continue. Always use Wi-Fi to save mobile data. Try it and tell me what happens. Download one of these apps today. Test it for yourself.